Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Coordinates channel for Change Better with me, Virsa Putra, and now we are trying to complete this part of the web. Okay, now let's go to the code first. I'm trying to finish up the grid system because it's not responsive now. I'm trying to to set it up to for responsive. Add media here, screen, and also max width and max width. I have add. So let's take a look for the breakpoint that we want to create. So it's broken on the 960. Okay, 960 pixels. Then I'm trying to set for the weight to 100% for the all columns here. Okay, not set margin. Margin is also for the top and bottom only. So for the left and right, I will set it to 0. Now let's see. Okay, don't forget to watch SAS here. Now let's see the change. Okay, it's good. Now I'll try to change the font size here to make it more nice. Okay, let's go to the typography here. So we have a subtitle here, and for the font size, I will try to modify. Okay, for the breakpoint 960, I'll try to change this to maybe 40, 40.4. Okay, now it will be like this. Maybe 30. Okay, cool. Now it's look good. Okay, it's very nice here. Okay, now let's go to the another sections here. So we have our portfolio sections here. So I'll try to create our portfolio sections. Portfolio, then and portfolio. So we say portfolio, then container, set it for the row, and call 12. So then we can create a title here. You see that we have our portfolio here, and I will use the mode, subtitle mode like this. Try to paste that to this part. Okay, this is our portfolio. Okay, now we see that this is our portfolio. Okay, then if you see that the our portfolio with the subtitle is really different for the size. Okay, now let's change the size for our portfolio. We have the 30.3 by 5. So we can change it to mini title here. Then I'll try to change for subtitle, copy that, and also change the title with mini title. Okay, this is for 30.4. Okay, it will be the same result. So you see, it will be like this. And also we have for the letter spacing minus 2.58, 2.58 for letter spacing, 2.58, 58. Okay. Now let's see the difference. Okay, we have the good designs here for our portfolio, and also I will need this part. So how to make this uh, line? You see that there's a different color here. So the technique will use like this. Okay, I'm trying to use this as, so I need a flex here. Then we'll try to moving the mini title to a flex, and I'll try to create a flex for the display flex. Okay, now I'm trying to create this line. The simple thing is you can grouping this line and make it as image, but I think for the cool part you can use this like a divider. So this is a divider. Okay, and this is the inner divider. Okay, now we are trying to create a divider first. So it's a messy thing in the CSS code because I make it as a fast project, not a real project. But if you want to try to tidying up, you can tidy up by format this document like this, and also naming it as referred by your sections. Okay. Now we can try to make a divider here. Try to create a divider here. So this is the divider. Then if you want to copy from the Figma, you can use that like this. So you see that they have a weight, height also, and also flex string here. But I need just a color here for rectangle, and I'll try to create a width 2 pixels and height 7 pixels. Then they have a color, so we are trying to create a background here. Okay, if you see now, where's the line? This is the line. Yeah, then I'm trying to create a divider beside the mini title, so like this. Okay, like this, you see. Now we are trying to create it like 737, I mean, pixels, to make it more like this. And also I have the inner divider here. There will be the same, but have a different color. So this is for the inner divider. Okay. Now for the color, I think I need a Figma here to explain about the color, to get a color code like this. Okay, now we have a different color one. And if you see, it's like a stacking here. And now I'm trying to separate this design. So in the divider, I will set a position relative. Then after that, I'm trying to create a divider on the positions uh, absolute. So now trying to move it on. So for the divider, I will try to uh, create like a background here, and maybe this is not a height also just 17 pixels like this. So if you see, it's a cool part. Okay, now we are trying to position, make a position for the dividers, and I'll try to use the margin uh, right or left, uh, 10 pixels like this. Now we are trying to align item to the centers. So let's make a move here. Okay, we don't have any item here. So I'm trying to create AI center, line item center. Then we're trying to create a line item centers here on the flex. So now you can see the change here. Okay, if you need more space or more line on definers, you can set uh, the height to 57 like this. Okay, now it's a cool design. If you need more width, you can adjust it to 5 pixel maybe, because there are some tolerance when you are creating in the real side. uh, you may face the different numbers for the width, also for the height, because in the Figma looks good, but in the website even we have some adjustment for the designs. Okay, now let's move to the content part here. So I'm trying to just copy the text. Okay, now I'm trying to copy that for the content. Copy. I will using the paragraph text here. So this is for the content. So I will tell you mini content. Okay, like this. And let's see. Okay, this is for the content. I will try to create a break here to make it a spacer. Okay, like this. Then I'm trying to set the mini content in this word. So for the mini content, we have okay, the same color with the inner dividers. So I'm trying to use this color like this, and we'll see the difference. Then I will try to set it font way too bold. After that, trying to set a margin left 10 pixels to make more space to this divider. Okay, now we have our title goals here. Okay, then after that, we are trying to create the portfolio sections here. Okay, it's like a Lego, right? So we can create it for this is okay. Let's see the columns here. I'm trying to see the column. This is a 3 column, 6 columns, and also this is 3 columns. So they have a different size. So I'm trying to create a portfolio section here. So this is the row. I will try to create another row. Call 3. This is the combinations. Call 6. And also the latest one is the call 3. Okay. Now how to make the portfolio part here. I'm trying to create like this. So on the call 6, I'm trying to create emg dot emg responsive using 8 to make it can be accessible by a link. Emg responsive, and I'm trying to export this image, placing to our content. Okay, this is blue design. Okay, rectangle 7. Just memorize that image, rectangle 7. Okay, now we have like this. And also I'm trying to use this also for the left side and the right side. I'll try to create another class called image place. Okay, now I'm trying to create another image here. Okay, I will using the same. So now we have, you trying to create another image like this, so we can have this. We just add some spacer here. So I'm trying to uh, export another layers here. So I'm trying to copy that to our project in the blue designs image. Okay, 8 until 11. Okay, we have, this is the 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. Let's see the difference here. Okay, now I'm just trying to create some space here. So I will use spacers maybe. So if you see there are 40 for the spacers, I'll try to create a spacer 40. Height 40 pixels. Okay, now we are done. So these have a spacer 40, and also for the image place. Okay, looking good. And if you want to take more looking like it has, okay, now it has some difference here. So we are trying to cut it up to make it more like in the Figma. Okay, now I'm trying to cut it to this. So this is the image pic. I'm trying to use the class. So I'm trying to adjust the image pic here. We'll set it to for the height. Also, I'm trying to create a height. What is height? So for the call tree, I need, so it could be have another space here, and I'm trying to create or I'm trying to create more spacers. So let's go. How about if I'm trying to set the spacers like this? It's 60 for the spacers. I think this is more better than if I'm trying to create uh, a difference for the class for the big one. So let's go. I'm trying to modify the spacer 40 to 60 to make it more make the style the same with Figma. Okay, now we're done. Okay, looking good for the portfolio part. And now for the contact us. I'll try to use the same class for the row. Okay, I'm trying to copy that. I will using the contact us sections, contact, and also and contact. Then contact here, contact, container, then also row. I'm trying to copy this. Contact us. Okay. Then for the content, I'm trying to copy this, placing the break tag here. And now let's see the difference. Okay. Now we have also the contact. I'm trying to use the spacers here, portfolio part. So it's actually half margin and padding. So I will try to use this. I call it space section and trying to use the padding 2% or 3% bottom and top, and 0 for the left and right, and try to add that to this part. Okay, this is for the space section, and trying to use it to features and also the portfolio part, and then the last one is the contact. Now let's see the difference. Okay, we have some white space here. It's cool. Now for the contact us, we need the Google Maps. So you can embed Google Maps like this. Google Maps is really easy. So this is my place, and if you want to maybe share this part, so this is my home. This is my home, and I'm trying to share, then embed a map, copy the HTML. Then I'm trying to use this, okay, placing on that row, then all 12, so that placing the iframe. For the width, I will use 100% here. Then let's see the result. Okay, we just have our map placing to our website, and now you can set the iframe to have a border radius, iframe border radius to 20 pixels maybe, and you see the half border radius here. It looks better. And the last one, I think we have 25 minutes for these tutorials, and the last one I will try to finish these designs and also the responsive for the menu on the next video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.